Bitcoin money cost basically remained at $150.26 a coin, which is very critical. The present range, $144.83. $153.92 in a fundamentally significant way. Yesterday's nearby, $145.16, which generally is very critical. The change, plus 5.10, plus 3.51%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to BCH in a huge way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22. Fundamentally least cost $145. Genuinely most extreme $167, and toward the day's end cost $156 a coin. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Fundamentally least cost $145 in every practical sense. Greatest $167, and by the day's end cost $156 a coin in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Least cost $149, truly most extreme $171, and toward the day's end cost $160 a coin, which basically is genuinely huge. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. In every way that really matters, least cost $154, genuinely greatest $178, and by the day's end cost $166 a coin, which basically is very huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Least cost $149, in every way that really matters, most extreme $171, and by the day's end cost $160 a coin in a very enormous manner. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 1. Sort of least cost $158, beautiful greatest $182, and by the day's end cost $170 a coin, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, walk 2. Kind of least cost $161. Greatest $185, and toward the day's end cost $173 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 3. Least cost $163, especially greatest $187, and by the day's end cost $175 a coin. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, walk 6. Sort of least cost $161. Genuinely greatest $185, and toward the day's end cost $173 a coin in a fundamentally significant manner. In about 14 days BCH to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 7. Exceptionally least cost $161, especially most extreme $185, and by the day's end cost $173 a coin in a by and large huge manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8. Least cost $154, genuinely most extreme $178, and by the day's end cost $166 a coin, which is very critical. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 9. Kind of least cost $151, sort of most extreme $173, and by the day's end cost $162 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, walk 10. Kind of least cost $146, certainly greatest $168, and by the day's end cost $157 a coin. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 13. Truly least cost $152, sort of greatest $174, and by the day's end cost $163 a coin, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14. Certainly least cost $148, certainly greatest $170, and toward the day's end cost $159 a coin, which generally is very critical. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 15. In every practical sense, least cost $145 in every practical sense, greatest $167, and by the day's end cost $156 a coin. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16. Genuinely least cost $144, really most extreme $166, and by the day's end cost $155 a coin, which truly is genuinely critical. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 17. In every practical sense, least cost $144, truly most extreme $166, and by the day's end cost $155 a coin. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, walk 20. In every practical sense, least cost $143, greatest $165, and toward the day's end cost $154 a coin, which fundamentally is very critical. In about a month, BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 21, least cost $148, extremely greatest $170, and by the day's end cost $159 a coin, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, genuinely least cost $151, certainly greatest $173, and toward the day's end cost $162 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 23, especially least cost $145, truly most extreme $167, and by the day's end cost $156 a coin, which explicitly is very huge. United States dollars to BCH conversion scale commonly remained at 66.5513 coins per $10,000 in a genuinely large manner. Today's reach, 64.9688 to 69.0465. Yesterday's nearby, 68.8895, which especially is genuinely critical. The change, 2.3382 to 3.39% in a truly significant way. United States dollars to BCH conjecture for later, week and month amazingly. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion standard, 64.103 coins, exceptionally least 59.880, and greatest 68.966, which for the most part is genuinely critical. United States dollars to BCH expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end swapping scale 64.103 coins, extremely least 59.880, and kind of greatest 68.966, which really is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Friday, February 24. By the day's end conversion scale 62.500 coins, beautiful least 58.480, and greatest 67.114. United States dollars to BCH expectations on Monday, February 27. By the day's end swapping scale 60.241 coins in every practical sense, least 56.180, and by and large greatest 64.935, which truly is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end conversion standard 62.500 coins, most certainly least 58.480, and really greatest 67.114 in an unobtrusive manner. United States